Hi all, very good morning. Hope you are doing well. So today we will discuss about user management. Okay, how can we add a user? How to assign password? How to assign root permission to a user? Sudo's permission. How can we log in on multiple server with a single key? Okay, that how to assign a single key to a multiple servers. Okay, that suppose I want to create a user ID. Okay, on 10 servers. So that on all servers user can log in with a single key. So we will talk about this. Okay, we will check how can we configure this. So to add a user we have a user add command. Okay, so I'm going to add a test user. It's okay, let me check. Okay, user id only again, let me. So I'm going to create another user add test 11. Okay, so if I want to set a password, then we have password command to set password, right? So we can set password to user, right? To check the password status, to check password status, pass wd command hyphen capital S and username. Okay, as you can see that password is set, password set. SHA512 encryption there on the password. If I want to generate a key for a user, then we have to switch to that user and SSH key gen, enter. So it asks for that file name if you want to save the key with another that with another name. Okay, so default it takes inside home test, that home username dot sh directory created. Okay, and inside this idrs is the file to create. Okay, so now it's asking for passphrase. So if I will give the password there and the passphrase I provide there, then when we try to use login a user with that key, so it will ask for that passphrase also. Okay, if we go with the blank, then it will not ask for any password. Okay, right. So I continue with the blank for now. You can see that I dot sh directory created there. Okay, so let's go inside ssh directory. Now inside this we will get two files, right? One the idrs and one the idrs public. This is a private key, this is public key. So to log in a user with the key, we have two sets, like two sets there. One is the private, one is public key. When we will log in with the key, so it will match the private key with public key. Okay, so if that's encryption match the both key, then it will allow login, otherwise it will deny. So for this we have to copy the context of public key inside authorize underscore keys file. Okay, and the so let's we will check this. Okay, so first of all we have to copy idrsa file. So we can copy this file to where that okay, let me show the context first. idrsa. So if I want to share this file with the user, so I can save the context of the file in the another file. Okay, extension should be .pem or ppk. If I want to log in with the linux to linux, then we will use uh, pem format .pem. If I want to log in through the putty, okay, then format should be ppk. Then we have to convert the key from pem to ppk with the putty gen. We can convert. Okay, we have to load this key and then convert it to. So as of now, I am going to log in with the same server only. So I am going to copy this file to temp uh, test 11 dot m, right? So I will show you. So as I want to check if I can log in, the that authorize key permission is 644 now. Okay, that read is used for, okay, read write and read. So let's go to temp. So we are inside temp now. Okay. And we copy the file to username dot spam. Now the permission of file, that test 11, permission of test 11, that na test 11 dot spam is 600, right? So try to sh hyphen I, okay, spam file name test 11 at the localhost. You can see that, okay, spam file permission should be that for you. Permission of file, trying to log into the EC2 user. Okay, so ownership should be with that user only, that from where I am executing a command. So for this I am changing the ownership to EC2 hyphen user. Okay, you can see that ownership changed to EC2 hyphen user. Okay, and permission is 400. So if I change the permission of this file, then it will not allow to login. It will show that permission deny or not authorize, like so. Okay, so I'm try to login now. So now it login. Okay, 644 the permission, right? Correct. Okay. So another thing is that you can log in with the 644 also, but for security, for more security, we should use that 600, the permission. Okay, so that no one can read this file, right? So authorize key, again try to log in. Yeah. Okay. So if I want to create a same user on the server, then what is the next? That how can we use the same key to log in on the another server? So for this, let me create another user. So I'm creating a user with the name of user test 12. Okay. So if I want to use the same key which I used to log in the test 11 user, so if I want to use the same key for this, so we have to go inside that user. Okay, we have to create one directory dot ssh. Permission of dot sh should be 700. Okay, this is node 700 dot sh. Okay, so see that directory there cd dot ssh. So we have to create a file dot authorize, to create authorize underscore keys file there, and we have to copy the content of authorize key, okay, of the that user, that which key we want to use there. So I'm going to do this with the help of root 11 .sh. So I will copy the content of authorize key inside that. Okay, or we can, so I'm going to copy this directory. Okay, fact I'm copying it to, I have copied the context of authorize key to the new user home sh authorize key, right? So another thing we can check, we can do that, we can read this file authorize key. We can copy the context of this file, we can copy content. Okay, then we can use switch to that account, or okay, we can copy, we can open the file and copy the content there, right? Because there's a file already there and the permission to root, so we have to change the permission. Test well. Okay, change ownership. Network so system running slow. Size key. Okay, so now go to that switch. Okay, so I can, so we open this authorize key file. Okay, and we can paste the content, okay, of that user. So the content already there. We have already this do this thing. So now try to log in. Okay, so let's see now. So okay, so as we already tested with the 11, okay, test 11 user. So we are using the test 11 user key to login to the test well. Okay, let's, yeah. So you can see that it's login. to test 12 user. So we can use the same key to log in on multiple servers. Okay, so we have to copy the context of IDRSC of the existing user. Okay, and we can paste the same content to the new user. Okay, inside we have to create a directory dot ssh. Let's create a one more user. User. So I have created a user add new. So username is a new. Okay. So now I want to use the same key to login in this. Okay. First of all, we switch to the new user. Okay. You can see there is no any directory.sh. Okay. So we have to create directory.ssh and see permission of the directory should be chmod 700.sh. Okay. You can see the permission is that 700 cd.sh. As of now, inside .sh no file. Okay, so we have to create a file underscore keys. Okay, you can see file created there. File ownership should be 600. Chmod is a command which is in the permission. Okay, the file permission is 600 now. Okay, so we have to copy. Okay, so let's go to home. That's 11. We want to use the same key. Okay, for the user also. So inside .ssh, copy the read the cat authorize key file. Copy the content. Switch to new user. Okay, we have paste the content there. Okay, so now try to log in with the same key which we have for Trash 11. So we have the key in the temp. So you can see that we can log in with the same key. So we can use the same key to log in on multiple servers. So I shown this server only. So because I have only one server to test. So like so, we can use the same key in multiple servers. So that as I create multiple user there, you can create user on the another server. Okay, and copy the content of authorized key inside new user dot sh, that authorized key file. Okay, and you can use the same key. So now it so we'll stop recording now. And for that permission and that change expiry, set password expiry, these all things, create another video. So thank you very much. Bye bye.